Oh, friggin' rights, boys. It's tomorrow. I got off the horn with the friggin' parts dick. He's got the oil pan. He's got the different Earl pans and the gaskets and oh, there was something else. Oh, the engine mounts. And I should have just waited because now I got 3 sets of engine mounts coming for, you know, way too much monies, and the parts dick could get them for way cheaper, and they're going to be here today. So, but I overlooked quite the crucial detail in the accordulation of starting this thing on the stand. But, you know, luckily I got this engine here. I can take the friggin' the backing plate, and, you know, I wanted to leave this on there just how it is, you know what I mean, this and that, and then when I do a project with this engine, I just ready to go. But I need that friggin' arsecoil. I talked to a guy about getting another one, but, you know, sooner or later I'll come up with another one and I'll bolt this back on. But for right now, I need this to test this engine. So I got to unbolt all this crap, bolt it onto here, put the friggin' flex plate back on. Luckily I was gonna sell it too, but luckily I didn't post that yet. Gonna put the turb ski on. Can't find the friggin' line. I thought this was the line. This ain't the line. That's not the line. Ha! Dipships. But yeah, so I might have to get back on the horn with the part stick here. I swore on the premium cigarettes that I had one around here somewhere, but maybe I didn't. Either way, well, actually, I wonder if this one will work. It's a completely different turb ski, though. It's a completely different turb ski. Yeah, that should work. Maybe we'll just pull the line off this and we'll plug the tubes. Plug the tubes. Like, it'd be ideal if I could just find a plug to put in there. I got all those plugs and I'll find a plug. So, any words. We'll do some cleaning up onto it and this and that, and because the gasket's not going to be here till like 2. Speaking of like 2, that's probably when the hobo will show up. I don't know. I'm pretty excited about this. I want to get this frame friggin' done. He doesn't seem too enthused. He doesn't seem like he's all that interested in I'm fixing up my van here. Hey, that son of a bitch. But yeah, hopefully he's here soon, because like I say, you know, I got to get this frame painted and situated and this and that. He's not doing too bad though. Like, good lord, eh? Just look onto it. She's gonna be a squizzoo. There's slight potentiality of starting it now. But yeah, that brought the center of the gravitational forces over to the wetward. She's a little bit kimpa-wimpus. Let's see if we can straighten her out a little bit. A little straighty poo. Oh shit, yeah, nothing like that. Oh. Nope. She's a heavy bitch. We're at the rated maximum capacities of this here lift, so hopefully, like, it's pretty wobbly. I watched a video of a guy starting an engine up on one of these, and it was a lot more stable than this. Must have had the upgraded model, the upgraded pig iron version, but anyways, time is at 11:11. Make a wish, boys. She's 11:11. Still no friggin' hobo. Isn't that great? I give them the option, you know, if like 8's too early, maybe we should start at 11. But now, I don't know. Hello, hobo? You in here? No? I apologize. I apologize. But yeah, seems to have a book of excuses, so we'll see what his is today. Maybe he won't even show up. Maybe he quit. Hey, maybe we'll go outside. The van's gone and they're holding the fence and the whole 11 yards. But any words, a few more hours and we'll have the oil pan. We can zip that on. I should call him and see if we can get some cheap Earls too, so we don't have to use the good stuff. We just run it, get all the debris out of the system, and then drain it. Right? It'd be awesome for my movie. Good Lord. Look at the shnikes on that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, really. Oh, Lord. Good Lord. Done sold my fingertips. But we don't need that. We don't need that. Have you ever seen a friggin', I might have told you already, but vacuum pump like that, it's got the two mafkinoids onto it. But yeah, I might as well get the straightener out and we'll start cleaning this bitch up a little bit. No. 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 Oh, you're sneaky. How long you been here? Oh, I apologize. I apologize. What happened today?
Oh, what's that?
What happened today?
Well, I get about 10 to 9.
What happened?
I get about 10 to 9.
10 to 9? What about 10 to 9?
Yeah, I get up about 10 to 9. Then next thing you know, thinking about grabbing tools, and next thing you know, I'm back asleep again.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Grab these pile of shit and get this thing ready for some paint.
Yeah.
Are we gonna paint? When are we gonna paint this? I know when it's done, but are we gonna paint it directly after it's done?
Yeah.
Like just boom, hit it. That's it.
They spelled the grumbling wrong.
Why? What happened?
Oh,
Make my own that says Grumlin. Huh?
as I said, they spelled it wrong.
Yeah. We'll just make that, mash it into dirt, and then put the L where the M is, and friggin' it'll be awesome. Make a Grumlin Decnal for my squizoot. Oh, the hobo showed up, boys. The hobo showed up. He got up about 10 to 9. Starts at 8, but you know, if you sleep 50 minutes past when your start time is, that's usually good, eh? Oh dear. But yeah, like just scrapey poo, little scrapey poo, and oh, that's why I didn't hear you, because you left the door open, eh? Right on. Normally I hear the click of the door, but I didn't hear the click of the door because you didn't shut it. That's why. And we just leave the shop door open in the middle of winter. It's pretty cool. But yeah, what else? I don't know. Oil pan, gasket. Oh, fuel. I need to rig up some fuel lines and like a jug of fuel from the starting rig. Oil pan, gasket. Oh no, what happened? Oh no, what happened? Oh no, he's in there muttering. Are you in there muttering?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh no, that's terrible. I thought you loved this sort of thing.
Is that?
I thought you loved this sort of thing.
Yeah,
Oh, but you're just muttering?
I guess.
Oh, I apologize. Usually when I'm in here muttering, I'm all pissed off and that ginger carrot goof frame this that idiot stupid goof. Yeah.
He's happy being a hobo before you dragged him here.
Yeah, a happy life being a hobo. Now he's just f***ed. Whole world f***ed. Changed his life forever. He'll never be the same.
Finish his coffee and putting his arm in a sling and cutting the fence in no time.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. I love working in the shop. Now I just need you to clean all the schmut off this. I scraped the chunks and just need you to scrape. What? Tippy no good.
Hold me back.
Hold me back. There's no purse strings. I should take these panels off because they're all f***ed anyways and make my own, like, Gremlin Cummins.
Camp Charlie.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta put it on the side. Camp Charlie.
What kind of animal should be the mascot? A horse?
If it's a cow.
Yeah, put a fucking cow on there, but call it, horse something. I love horses. Oh, I need a dust collector. This guy's got, like, it's for woodworking. But if I hook that thing up to the sandblaster, and then all the dust will just go in there. And, the dirt or dust will fall on the bottom, and but it's still got air. So, you know what I mean? As I fucking sandblast for 5 minutes, the whole shop's full of dirt. I turn the vacuum on, does nothing.
Suspension work. You just go and you instantly
Push it in.
Right?
Push it in.
And the torch, that's why I have.
That would have blew up your like a balloon.
Oh, that's.
But instead of balloon filled with like hot stink breath, it would be your filled with fart.
Methane cock. Awesome. That's just fantastic. It's like a helium balloon, but not.
Decent.
One more little box after this one.
Very good. Thank you. Well, that's not good. That's not good at all. Son of a bitch. Oh, yeah. What happened? Oh, you did? Oh, nice. Did it just reek? Oh, man. What'd you say? That's jagged?
No, jaggy.
Oh, I thought you said that was jagged. That's jagged, dude. Yeah, I hate when I have a jagged shit. You know what I mean?
A jagged shit. That's up. I got 2 of these. These are 75, but they're not those common to come by. For the Grumman. You probably don't need one of them for the charging system for your isolation.
I like to leave a little bit of the cheese, like the old gasket on. Gives the new gasket something to bite to, you know what I mean?
Okay.
You ever heard of that?
No, but I'll take your word on it.
I like to leave a little chewy spot on there from the old gasket. So that gives her a little bite, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that bit of sticky shit you're talking about? That?
No, the old gasket.
Oh, yeah? Oh, nice and...
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck it. It's just done right. And then if you keep doing it, it's like stickers on the car. They keep building up. Gives you that squishiness. Yeah. It's a nice, perfect, like a silicone gasket.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. That's a tech
Well, it's a
tip.
Cummins, right? So you gotta have it leaking a little bit.
Yeah, that's a tech tip for the week here. Just leave your old gasket. And it saves you time, too.
Yeah.
Definitely saves you time. Yeah, I know. You're not doing it right if you haven't got some kind of leak. I mean, you know, can't have it clean.
How you gonna know you have oil in it if there's not a spot in the driveway?
Yeah, I was just gonna say you can't have a clean driveway. That's crazy, man.
Holy careful. Startled me.
God, okay.
Gouda friend. Gouda friend.
You got a lot of weird stickers here. It's like cops or goose or what does
Yeah.
that say again? 120.
Hopefully it keeps the dust down. Oh, Lord. We had to do a little modification because the plug was different, but it does make a terrible mess. But not as bad as it did. You can sit by the sandblaster and friggin' shoot. So let's check out my parts. Let's check out my parts, boys. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, engine mounts. That's the one I did without the fan. That's the one I did without the fan. That's the one I did with the fan. Ah. Oh, and my dampener. My new dampener, my new one. It's crunchy in there. But anyways, it's the latest frig. I heard my alarm go off, so it's after 9, quarter after 9. Not too bad. Not sure, boys.